I'm inserting my pen drive. The sound appears but it doesn't show any pop-up and it doesn't show in my this PC for your desktop. Again I am re-entering it, but it doesn't appear again, but the sound appears. But here you can see the pen drive logo that it is connected, but it doesn't appear in this PC. So you need to go to manage and then go to storage and then go to disk management, and at the bottom you will see removable and it's our pen drive. And fix it, right click it and then go to change drive letters and paths, click add, and then we need to assign a letter. Now we want to see what we have already. We already have C, D, E, F, G, H, so we don't want to assign the pen drive this. We want to assign from I. If it's selected automatically, it's okay, then click OK. Now the pop-up appears. It has been fixed. Let's see. Now it appears in this PC, and let's eject it and reinsert it. I'm reinserting it. Now the pop-up appears and it shows in my this PC. Thanks for watching.